So, right gentlemen, can you hear us? Okay, yep, if you're all ready. So, on your marks, track, go! This is very much a race, so they are completely different from last time. Hello, one's lost his barrel. Now the member of the team can get out and can sort that out, but we've got the barrel in the middle, a clear winner at the moment. Still, of course, some way to go. Now, this is where the tricky bit comes. Because once you've got to push it round the corner, if you're not careful, then you lose your barrel. Jeanette is safely round. No! Against the mate. Down goes the barrel. Has to get back on to the machinery before they can set off again. We lost the barrel again. So progress hampered a wee bit. So John Mack left behind at the moment. Now starting to increase. That's the problem, unfortunately. You increase the speed and a slight nudge will send the barrel spinning away from the front of the roller. Jeanette, I'm not sure, I guess that's allowed, but decided to take a much tighter corner. So, we have a clear winner. We have a clear winner, so congratulations. Right, would the driver like to come with us? We're going to present you your trophy, sir, for winning. As the young man was the one who was at the wheel. That's right, let's have the... So, right, follow me. Yes, I know. But then, if you think about athletics, they always have a stagger, and he was on the inside line, so yeah. Right, we'd like to present the trophy to this year's winner of the barrel race. So congratulations and well done. Thank you. Excellent.